prepping for the gender reveal. We did a DIY arch using the foam board that I showed you guys for the Father's Day ice cream setup. I showed you exactly how to do this, so if you check that blog out, you'll see how to do it. This is using an installation board, and you just shape it, and then this is some peel and stick wallpaper. Shayna did this part herself because I had to go to my mom's house. I'm gonna smooth that out a little bit more for her, but this is like a gold wood pattern, if you guys can see that there. Thought it would be good for the bear. And then I'm over here blowing up balloons. These are the colors. Wanted to do something a little different than the normal light pink and blue. And then that's it. And then I'm gonna get all of these strung up and put together. This is the top of the board. As you can see here how she kind of traced it out to cut it out. It fits right up there at the top of that arch. So I'm gonna get started on stringing all these up, and will bring you guys along for that. I'll prop you guys up so you can see me do that, and then we'll figure out all the rest of that. Oh, and really quick, I know you guys always want to know colors. I used a new brand for the blue. Somebody actually DM'd me about this brand on Instagram. I used it, it wasn't bad. It's called Calisand. These 12-inch ones were okay for blowing up. The 5 inches were not as easy as the Gmar that I used. And I used Gmar in the Dusty Rose and their Shiny Gold. So yeah, those are the colors that I used. Using 260s to construct this garland. Start off by taking one of my dupes and the 260, tying a knot around this one, which secures it, and then I have all of this stretch. If you missed my last vlog, you may want to check that out because I was basically showing you guys how to, walking you through how to do this and get the most out of the stretch on the 260 when constructing your garlands. The goal is for this one to probably use 3 or 4. I'm gonna take another dupe, put it on here across, bring the 260 over the new, back around, over the existing, and now pick up measure. It's attached. Number 2. Alright guys, so camera died, but this is what it looks like.
Barry's ready?
Yep, he's all ready.
Okay. You take this stuff?
So now guys, we were rushing. It's our mommy to be.